Hey, hi there. This is Murali Sundaram, your happiness coach. Yesterday, one member asked me, is there something I need to tell myself every day or remind myself every day so that I don't become unhappy? And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I release a new video. So what I told my member of my happiness community is, most of the time we really become unhappy and suffer a lot is because we start munching too much of problems in our life. Okay? We keep on thinking about the same problem. Probably the problem you faced in your office, job, or wherever you are working, or in your business, or in your family. Okay, someone said something and that was running in your head constantly and you are replaying it again and again and again. Or you have a problem with money and you overthink and overanalyze a lot. A problem is rarely a problem in our life. A problem actually becomes a problem only when we start overthinking and over-analyzing in mindset. So one reminder that we need to tell ourselves is a problem is rarely a problem. So when you start writing down your problem in a piece of paper and you rewrite and redefine again and again and again the same problem, you will surprisingly find there is no problem at all in your life. Go ahead and try this technique. Ask yourself, what else is the problem? Write an answer. Again, ask yourself, what else is the problem? Can I rewrite in a different words? The more you start rewriting and redefining your own problem, you will actually become more clear that actually there is no problem. Okay. So number one reminder that we need to give ourselves is a problem is never a problem, or a problem is rarely a problem in our life. That's number one. Number two is most of the people make their life unhappy in their life by not accepting what's happening in their life right now. Most of them, most of us, okay? We always want something to happen, but something else is happening. So there is always a gap between what's happening and what is not happening, right? So one important reminder that we need to give ourselves is accept life as it is, accept people as they are. When we remind ourselves that we can't change anyone in the world, yes or no, we can't change anyone, okay? But we can accept everyone, we can accept every situation. So the minute we start accepting, you will surprisingly find you are not unhappy in your life. That's the number two reminder that we need to tell ourselves, that accept life as it is. Accept people as they are. Number three, never force anything into your life. You just do it. Okay? You put all your best of the best efforts and then let it be. Most of the time, you know what we do? We put a lot of efforts, okay, and we try to tweak everything. The sales is not coming, so we'll put too much of efforts, keep thinking a lot. Can I do that? Can you do this? And put too much of pressure on you. When you put too much pressure on you, you put the pressure onto your team. And you put the pressure same to your family members, okay? So never force anything. The minute you force anything, and if you feel a little bit of heaviness in your heart, remember that is something which you are doing outside your true sense of yourself. Never do something which is outside your true self, okay? So number three is never force anything. Let it be. Just put your efforts and let it be. Okay? That's number three. Number four is life flows in a one particular sequence. We need to develop one thing. We need to develop the trust that whatever is happening is always good for me. I may not understand it right now, but always there is a good reason why things are happening. The minute we come to this kind of an understanding and remind ourselves again and again that I need to trust the journey of life, even though I don't understand. This is one reminder we need to tell, because there are a lot of things in our life we don't understand why things are happening. We don't understand after putting this much amount of effort, the results are not coming. We don't understand why people suddenly come into our life and destroy our life. We don't understand why we lose money, why we make bad decisions. So a lot of reasons are there why things are happening in our life, even why disease occurs, why people die. We don't understand. So since we don't understand, the best one is learn to trust the journey of life, even if we don't understand. If something is happening, very good. If something doesn't happen, excellent. That is one reminder, the fourth reminder that we need to give to ourselves. The final reminder is this. telling yourself that you are enough, you have enough, and you do enough, and relax yourself. Let go and live this moment of now. Most of the time, we are always busy doing one activity to another activity because we always want more and more in your life. The minute you start telling yourself, wow, I already have enough things in my life, I have enough, I do enough things, and I am actually enough right now, whatever is, I'm happy with whatever I have. When you give that command to your mind, you suddenly see that you are more happier and more healthier. And you relax yourself. The minute you relax yourself, you will learn how to let go. So just smile, let go, relax, and just be here and start living life right now. So these are the 5 daily reminders I told my member when he asked me, what is that I have to tell myself again and again? So these are also mental reminders. Probably you can write it down in a piece of paper and maybe you can type it out, paste it in your wall. That number 1 is a problem is rarely a problem. Number 2 is, many people make life unhappy by not accepting things. Write the word, accept people as they are, accept situations as it is. Number 3, never force anything. Do your best and let it be after that. Number 4 is learn to trust the journey of life even if we do not understand. Last one, relax. You already have enough and you are enough in your life. Relax, smile, let go, and live right now. Go ahead, practice any of these reminders, or if you want, you can practice all these reminders. Tell yourself again and again and again so that you can start living a happy and prosperous life and a peaceful life. Okay. So if you think that some other reminders are also useful, go ahead and comment below. Probably some of our viewers may also can read from your reminders, which is helping you to stay positive in your life. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.